Well, here we have the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. It's just been unveiled in New York. It's going to go on sale in Australia on August the 24th. It's got a 6.4-inch screen. It's going to be available in 3 colors: black, blue, and metallic copper. You'll see the fingerprint reader has been relocated on the back of the device just below the camera. And of course, there's the new and improved S Pen on board. This has Bluetooth built in. So it allows you to do what you normally do, draw and write on the screen, but you can also connect wirelessly to the Note 9 and use it as a controller for your presentation or to snap photos. And so it's going to also be open to developers so that they can incorporate S Pen in their apps as well. The device is slightly bigger than the Note 8. It's got a 6.4-inch screen, so slightly larger, slightly wider, slightly thicker, but doesn't feel too big in your hand. It's got that dual lens camera as well, the same camera that we've found on the Galaxy S9. There's our great website tech guide. The screen, it's a Super AMOLED display, so the web pages, apps, and photos look really good. Speaking of photos, the camera has also been improved from the previous model. It's very much like the Galaxy S9 camera with built-in artificial intelligence as well. Pricing is going to start at $1,499 with 128 gigabytes of storage. There's also going to be a model with 512 gig of storage. It's also got Samsung DeX, but the difference here is that you don't need a dock. You can just connect a HDMI cable to your television or monitor and create this great desktop experience, and you can use the Samsung Note 9 at the same time. So really handy feature there. Going to be available in those 3 colors: black, blue, copper, and coming on August the 24th.